Imagine waking up to a world where your face robs a bank. Your voice tricks your mother into emptying her savings. Your online posts trigger riots in a country you've never visited, and you never did any of it. Sound impossible? Welcome to the hidden war that artificial intelligence is waging behind your screen right now. You see, most people think AI is harmless. It writes silly poems, fixes blurry old photos, maybe suggests what show you'll binge next. But the real story? AI is rapidly becoming the smartest criminal, the perfect spy, the ultimate scam artist, and a weapon more dangerous than any bomb. And the scariest part? You're already a soldier in this war, whether you know it or not. Today, I'm going to expose exactly how this silent AI battle works, how it's transforming crime, hacking your privacy, fueling propaganda, reshaping military power, and how you can protect yourself before it's too late. Stay with me until the end, because the next 25 minutes might save you from getting hacked, manipulated, or framed by a mind that never sleeps. Let's start where most people never look: crime. A decade ago, robbing a bank required guns, a getaway car, and a high chance of getting shot or caught. Today, all it takes is a few dollars and an AI deepfake generator. In 2019, a British CEO received a phone call from what sounded exactly like his German boss. The boss urgently ordered him to wire hundreds of thousands to a supplier. The voice? Flawless. The accent? Perfect. The money? Gone. The real boss had never picked up the phone. Behind that con was an AI model that cloned his voice in seconds, a trick once possible only in Hollywood. Now, these scams don't target big CEOs only. Your grandma can get a 2 a.m. call that sounds exactly like her grandson crying for bail money. Your boss might get an email written in your style, authorizing payments you never sent. Deepfake blackmail is exploding too. Criminals fake explicit videos of victims, then extort hush money. It's cheap, fast, nearly untraceable. And the tech keeps getting better while laws can't keep up. But that's petty crime. Organized crime loves AI even more. Drug cartels test machine learning to optimize smuggling routes. AI analyzes traffic data, patrol schedules, and drone footage to plan the safest path. Cybercrime gangs deploy AI bots to negotiate ransomware payouts, write believable phishing emails, and handle victim questions, all while human bosses sleep. Dark web marketplaces use recommendation AIs just like Amazon. But instead of books, they recommend stolen credit cards, fake IDs, or hacking services. It's a digital mafia, but the enforcer is an algorithm. So how do police fight back? Predictive policing. Departments feed old crime data into AI to predict where crime might spike next week. Sounds smart, but critics say it often targets poor minority neighborhoods more, creating a feedback loop where more police equals more arrests equals more proof for the AI that crime lives there. Meanwhile, real criminals adapt. They use VPNs, encrypted chat, and counter-surveillance AIs to dodge detection. It's a cat-and-mouse game where the mice keep mutating. Now let's step into the shadows. Espionage. Governments have spied for centuries. Nothing new there. What's new is scale. In China, millions of cameras feed live footage into AI systems that tag every face. Jaywalk? The system knows. Post online about protest? The system knows. Apply for a travel visa? The system checks your loyalty score first. In the West, agencies crunch billions of phone records, emails, and location pings through giant AI filters looking for suspicious chatter. In Israel, companies like NSO sell AI-powered spyware to governments. This software silently cracks your phone, reads your encrypted messages, turns on your camera and mic, and you'll never know it happened. Journalists, activists, lawyers, all targets. Even in so-called free countries, some politicians push to expand AI surveillance, claiming it keeps people safe from terrorists or criminals. But at what cost? Now take a breath, because the next piece might make you doubt everything online. Propaganda. Propaganda used to mean leaflets or TV speeches. Today, AI can run entire fake news sites, YouTube channels, TikTok influencers, all designed to push your emotions in just the right direction. Want to make an enemy look evil? AI can generate fake photos of fake crimes. Want to swing an election? AI bots can swarm social media, share half-truths, and create fake outrage overnight. The kicker? It works. Studies show people trust photos and videos more than text, but AI can fake both now. And social platforms? They struggle to detect and ban these bots fast enough. By the time they catch up, the damage is done. Let's get even bigger. War. Military leaders used to rely on spies and gut instinct. Now they rely on algorithms. AI analyzes satellite images, enemy troop chatter, supply lines, then suggests when to strike. Drones can fly missions with no human pilot. Swarm drones can coordinate attacks, share targets, and adapt to countermeasures on the fly. Smart missiles can dodge defenses mid-air. And the nightmare scenario? Fully autonomous lethal weapons. Machines that choose who lives and who dies. Think that's sci-fi? The US, Russia, China, and Israel all test versions today. One glitch or hack could unleash deadly chaos. One mistake, a misidentified truck or building, and civilians pay the price. Let's bring it back to you. How does this hidden war hit you at home? Your phone knows your location every minute. Your smart speaker records your voice to improve service. And that data trains voice clones. Your selfies help facial recognition companies build better ID systems, sold to police or foreign spies. Your social posts fuel AI sentiment analysis to predict how you vote, how you shop, how you feel after breakups. Your spending habits let companies charge you the highest price you'll tolerate. That's dynamic pricing, optimized by AI. You think you decide freely, but invisible algorithms nudge you toward products, political views, even moods. Convenient or quietly controlling? So, what's next? Criminals and spies keep improving their AI. Law enforcement tries to catch up, but budget cuts and outdated tools make them slow. Politicians talk about AI regulation, but pass vague laws with loopholes big enough to drive a drone swarm through. Meanwhile, tech giants hoard the best AIs. They profit from your data, but rarely explain how they protect it. And everyday people? We trade privacy for free apps, shrug off deepfakes as funny memes, and scroll on. But there's hope, if you act. First, protect your digital footprint. Use unique, complex passwords. Turn on two-factor authentication. Be stingy with personal details online. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive stuff. Second, learn to question. If a voice calls asking for money, verify by calling back. If a video seems shocking, check multiple trusted sources. If an article fuels rage, ask, who profits from my anger? Third, support good AI too. Ethical hackers build AI that spots deepfakes fast. Journalists use AI to uncover shell companies and corruption. Doctors use AI to detect cancer early. Scientists use AI to find new drugs faster than ever. The same tool can harm or help. It depends who holds the code. Finally, demand accountability. Push lawmakers to write clear laws about AI weaponry, privacy, and deepfake abuse. Ask tech companies how they train their models. Demand they let independent experts check for bias or security holes. We don't ban cars because they can crash, but we set rules, seatbelts, speed limits, drunk driving laws. AI needs the same, not tomorrow, but now. One last thing. Some futurists dream of a world run entirely by AI. No corruption, no human error, just cold, logical perfection. Sounds nice until you realize humans are messy for a reason. Empathy, forgiveness, doubt, all human bugs and features that keep societies humane. An AI mind sees only data. Data says, this protest threatens stability. Suppress it. Data says, this rumor must be silenced. Data says, this target must be eliminated. Collateral damage acceptable. Do we really want to trade human flaws for mechanical ruthlessness? So here's the truth. The hidden AI war is real. It's global. It's here. You can't escape it completely, but you can fight smarter. Guard your identity. Question what you see. Vote for leaders who understand tech. Support companies that respect your data. Remember, behind every smart machine is a human agenda. Stay curious. Stay vigilant. Stay free. Because the future doesn't belong to AI. It belongs to humans brave enough to control it.